From large-scale lawn care to large-scale farming, fertilizers are a key component to growing luscious crops and healthy plants. Used daily by farmers and families alike, quality fertilizers are available as synthetic and organic compositions and are used to promote the vitality and fertility of plants. Fertilizers also help enhance a plant's water retention and aid in liquid filtration, both of which increase your soil's effectiveness. Most fertilizers features 3 major macronutrients: potassium, phosphorus, and nitrogen. Many also feature secondary nutrients such as calcium, iron, healthy types of bacteria, and microorganisms that aid in plant growth. While water is a critical element to ensuring your soil is healthy, fertilizer is equally as crucial. Without it, your garden, ornamentals, or lawn won't flourish to their full potential. Both commercial and consumer fertilizers are regulated by individual states and the federal government to ensure they are safe for people who utilize them, the animals that come in contact with them, and the surrounding environment. At Job's Organics, we offer eco-friendly fertilizers for a wide variety of uses, including granular fertilizers, fertilizer spikes, and liquid and water-soluble fertilizers. Granular fertilizers are dry fertilizers that are best used before and immediately after planting. At Job's, we have granular fertilizers for a wide variety of vegetables, fruits, herbs, plants, and lawns. Additionally, we provide slow-release granular fertilizers that can feed some plants for up to 3 months. Fertilizer spikes are spear-like capsules designed to release nutrients into the soil slowly, providing you with a simplified way to feed trees and plants within containers. With 20 different formulations, including bone meal spikes, Job's fertilizer spikes provide you with peace of mind in knowing your plants won't become over-fertilized, as they only need to be reapplied twice a year. In addition, Job's Organics Fast Start Planting Tablets are perfect for plants in need of a quick boost. They're specially formulated for all new plantings, reducing any transplant shock that might occur. Job's Organics bone meal spikes help promote sturdy root systems and stimulate overall healthier fruits, vegetables, tubers, flowers, and bulbs. The convenient and mess-free spike form provides an excellent source of phosphorus and calcium straight to the roots. Liquid fertilizers have the ability to be absorbed by the leaves of plants almost immediately, allowing the plant to utilize the nutrition right away. These fertilizers are primarily used to correct mid-season deficiencies or to supplement granular fertilizers, as their nutritious effects don't last long. Similarly, water-soluble fertilizers are fertilizers that can be dissolved into water easily, making it simple for plants to absorb nutrients quickly. These fertilizers are great for more mature plants, especially during the peak of their growing season. No matter what type of plants you're planning to grow, Job's has the perfect fertilizer to help them reach their full potential.